Why does your scanner show the P0755 engine code? What does it mean? P0755 is a diagnostic trouble code, an issue with your transmission shift solenoid. This engine code indicates an issue with your transmission shift solenoid. This will apply to whichever shift solenoid that your make and model has indicated is the B solenoid. Under the circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. Shift solenoid B malfunction, transmission fluid issues, electrical problems, clogged transmission filter, internal transmission issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicle, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Ram, Volkswagen, Toyota, Mazda, Dodge, Hyundai, Honda, and Subaru. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.